How to give pills to cats correctly. All domestic cats and cats sooner or later have to take medications. This may be due not only to the disease, but also to the prevention of worms, as well as other reasons. Given that most drugs for cats are available in tablet form, and animals categorically refuse to take them voluntarily, many owners have a quite logical question: how to give a tablet to a cat. Of course, the ideal option can be considered the case when the owners will take the pet to the veterinarian for taking medications. But you must agree that it is not necessary to feed the cat daily to stress associated with the road, transport, doctor's visits, as well as the use of pills. That is why owners need to learn how to independently control the process of taking pills by a cat at home, or rather, learn how to give them correctly. Is it possible to avoid pills? Only doctors can prescribe medicines to animals. Therefore, at the reception it is worth asking about the possibility of replacing tablets with medicines in another form, for example, suspensions or syrups. If you cannot replace the tablet with anything else, then you can try using the following methods, but be sure to consult with a veterinarian. It is necessary to crush the tablet into a powder and mix it with water, but it is important to remember that not all drugs can be given like this. To make such a mixture for a cat, you will need a syringe without a needle. Water should be no more than 1-2 ml. Turn it into a powder and mix it into your pet's favorite food. If the animal refuses to eat food with the smell of the drug, then you can apply it to the cat's nose with small smears, and then she, licking, for example, sour cream, will swallow the particles of the tablet. Use a tablet dispenser or an introducer. How can I safely give a cat a pill? If none of the above methods can be applied, then the owners should read the instructions on how to give medicines correctly, be patient, and try to do everything as quickly and safely as possible for both the cat and for themselves. Let's take a closer look at how to give a pill to a cat, and make sure that the animal does not spit out the bitter medicine. Of course, you can find many descriptions of the process, and even videos in which the owners calmly and confidently feed the cats with pills. But watching and reading is one thing, and doing it in person is quite another thing. So, let's consider the most successful way to introduce tablets to a cat, if they cannot be mixed with water or food, or replaced with medicines in another form. You will need to do the following. Put the cat on a hill, table, sofa, or put it back on your lap. Wrap it in a towel or squeeze the animal. Keep in mind that almost all cats break out at the moment when you try to give them a pill, so you need to fix the cat. With the left hand, open the cat's mouth, throwing the cat's head back beforehand. With your right hand, place the tablet on the root of the tongue, slightly to the side, trying to push the drug as deep as possible. Stroke the pet's neck, making movements from top to bottom. This will cause a swallowing reflex, and the cat will swallow the pill. First of all, you need to make sure that the cat swallows as quickly as possible, because if the tablet begins to dissolve in saliva in the mouth, the animal will spit it out and may even vomit. Sometimes, if it didn't work out the first time, you need to take a syringe without a needle, collect some water, and when the tablet is on the root of the tongue, spray a little liquid. So the pet will definitely swallow the medicine. If you can't give a tablet, use a tablet dispenser. It will allow you to inject the medicine deep into the cat's mouth and avoid bites. Expert advice: regardless of whether you give the cat antibiotics, bitter medicine for worms, or good vitamins in the form of tablets, you need to do everything very quickly and carefully. You cannot put pressure on the cat's throat, keep the mouth open for a long time, or raise your voice at the pet. This can cause fear and only increase the reluctance to take pills, and next time you will face even more serious protests from the cat. And remember that cats are members of your family, and it is you who should monitor their health, give care and care. Then the pet will thank you with affection and love, and will bring a lot of joy to your family.